Feeling lost in your Looker Studio report because the data just doesn't seem right? It might be those pesky filters. First, let's locate the control section. This is usually at the top of your report and contains any filters that might be applied. Look for the filter icon. See a list of filters here. To remove one, simply click the X icon next to the filter you want to disable. This instantly removes that filter from your entire report. Want to get rid of the filter control altogether? Hover your mouse over the filter box on the report and click the delete icon. This will remove the filter and its control from the report. You can also check your data source directly. On the right-hand side of the dashboard, occasionally, a chart or table has a filter set at the chart level. Rather than the report level, find the data panel for the component and look for the Add a Filter option. See a little filter icon on any chart or tables. Clicking that allows you to remove or edit filters directly associated with that visual. And that's it. Your data should now be displaying accurately, without any unwanted filters interfering. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more helpful Looker Studio tips and tricks.